Hello everyone, welcome to bloomfulbliss.co. I'm excited to meditate with you today. Find yourself a comfortable position or space in your home or wherever you are. You can close your eyes or you can just simply gaze. You can also light sage, candles, whatever feels good for you, do that. And we'll get started. I want to let you know that speaking affirmations over your life can be very beneficial to your mindset. Manifesting what you want and putting it out into the universe helps to bring your life to full potential and fruition beyond what you can imagine. Today we are going to breathe in manifestations and affirmations. We are going to rid ourselves of any tension and anything that no longer serves us, because we are renewing, releasing, and refreshing our season of life for the new year. We've gone through so much this year, but guess what? We are still here. When we learn to meditate, we learn to sit with our feelings and difficult emotions. We learn to trust our capacity to feel and be with our emotions. We learn to develop strength to be vulnerable, to express ourselves and our love without holding back and in a more positive way. I want you to take a moment to just breathe and thank yourself, because you know that this year has set you up to walk into your next best year. Thank yourself for showing up for you today, and that through your divine connections, you are about to fulfill everything you think and take action on. That everything that has happened to you has happened for you. Now again, I want you to close your eyes. Let's take 3 deep cleansing breaths. Breathe in, filling your belly, and releasing, exhaling through your mouth or your nose at your own pace. Know that there is nowhere that you need to be or nothing else that you need to be doing, but filling up your own cup and pouring into yourself, because you deserve it. I want you to breathe in and say to yourself, I am filled with love. I am filled with love. Be that love that you want to feel. Breathe out any love that you feel you aren't worthy of. I want you to say to yourself, I am worthy of my beautiful life. I am worthy of my beautiful life. Because you are. You deserve it. Breathe out any doubts you feel that you have of your life, and let go of your past life and step into your new season. It's your time. I want you to breathe in and say to yourself, money flows to me consistently. Money flows to me consistently. Know that you are financially fruitful. Breathe out any debt, anything that does not help to create abundance within your life. I want you to affirm, I am happy with myself. And know that anyone else is an addition to your happiness. I am happy with myself. Breathe out any feelings of unworthiness any bad thoughts of people who have made you feel like you weren't worthy, or who have robbed you of that happiness that is inside of you. I want you to affirm, I am powerful. I am powerful. Know that all is within you to shine in your full power. Breathe out anything that makes you feel like you are not in control of this power, because you set the tone for yourself. That power is within you. Affirm, I am resilient. Say to yourself, my strength and my endurance is unmatched. Because look at all the things that you have overcome that you thought you couldn't survive. But look at you thriving. Doesn't it feel good? Say to yourself, I honor my highest self. I honor my highest self. I am confident in who I am and growing into who I am becoming. Take a deep breath within, feeling that power, that new energy, those high vibrations and frequency. Let it resonate all over your body. And if you are still feeling any stagnant energy, breathe it out, release it. It no longer serves you. I want you to say to yourself, I have control over my thoughts and actions, and I only contribute myself to positive thinking and behaviors. I have control over my thoughts and actions, and I only contribute myself to positive thinking and behaviors. Breathe out, knowing that no situation or person can turn your energy, because you don't match theirs. You keep up with yours. Now I want you to take a moment and check in with yourself. Notice how you are feeling. Notice the emotions that are arising for you. And know that it's okay with whatever feelings you have. Bask in this life. Breathe in your life. Bask in this enlightenment, because it's only the beginning. If you are having thoughts that arise that you just don't like or don't want there, that's okay. Place them on a cloud. Allow them to float away. You are showing up for yourself today, Queen. That is the beauty of this. And I want you to think of some things you're grateful for. Just begin to speak them for yourself. Because when we are grateful and when we honor gratitude, we become an overflow for ourselves and the positive life that we want to attract. Again, I want you to take a moment to breathe in, filling up your belly, your ribs, your lungs. Extend that breath all the way to your crown chakra. Again, let it illuminate your body. You are so worthy of your beautiful life. You are so worthy of the confidence. I love you. I like you. Always and always. Thank you for meditating with me. Namaste.